Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Robin. Today I will be making a vegetarian dish using tofu, mushroom, and egg. Here I use the firm tofu. The soft tofu is better for making soup. First, cut the tofu into a rectangular shape or a square. It doesn't matter as long as it's about half an inch thick. If the tofu is too thin, it's very easy to break. You should always handle the tofu gently. Then beat 1 egg and pour the egg liquid into the tofu plate. Clean and dry the mushroom. You can use any type of mushrooms. I used the clamshell mushroom because it was on sale. Our first step is to saute the mushrooms so they can release the aroma and juice. Turn on the heat to medium, add 2 teaspoons oil and saute the mushrooms for 5 minutes. You will smell the mushroom and see its juice come out slowly. Then put it aside for later use. Our second step is to pan fry the tofu. The heat is still at medium. Add 1 tablespoon oil and pan fry the tofu for 5 minutes on each side. So it's 10 minutes in total. Be careful and don't break the tofu here. During this time, let's make the sweet and sour sauce. All the ingredients and measurements are listed in the description box. After the pan frying is done, add all the mushrooms and pour the sauce into the pan. Cover it with a lid and stew for 15 minutes. The tofu and mushroom will soak up all the sauce, including the mushroom juice. When it's done, transfer them to a plate and spread on some chopped green onions. This dish tastes sweet and sour. It's high in protein. The tofu is soft and juicy. The clamshell mushroom is sweet and buttery. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe if you like my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye!